Bitcoin hits $100,000. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Gang, gang, gang. Let's jump into the charts, take a look at what's going on for today. Congratulations. I think it's more of like a congratulations to people who've been around for a couple cycles. I mean, pretty phenomenal for you guys. For me, on the other hand, let's trade it. Let's make some money, and congratulations yet again. Jumping into Bitcoin, going to do some top-down analysis. I will be sharing these charts with the Discord members afterwards, just wanting to get through this pretty quickly. The beautiful thing is this 12-hour trigger wave that we did have in here, and we did give the long in our Discord quite perfectly, okay? And it's like, okay, you're bragging, yada, yada, yada. No, quite perfectly, and it was actually quite easy with the golden pocket bounce that we did get within here. We were live, and we did say if there was momentum here to get long, and we took the trade. So shout out to the Discord. Mad love to you guys. And 100K, we have closed the trade. We closed it exactly. I FOMO'd in at the top, okay? I broke all the rules, okay? Talking to one of the mods and broke all the rules. I got long right here. As we started to pump, got long right here, and I closed exactly on $100,000. Let's go. I mean, amazing stuff. So good fun. And you know what? Congratulations again. So what are we going to look for now? Like continuation? Is it going to come back? Like the number one thing that I believe to be true is that we always seem to want to revisit previous highs. So yes, this is euphoric, everybody on their Twitter, and this is big. Like this is big for retail, for everyone. But the number one thing that I would think of is Bitcoin returning back down to retest the highs, right? We get the breakout, the retest, and the continuation. Okay. But this could just be like some sort of basketball underwater here, and it's been held underwater, and then all of a sudden, pow, we're going to go to the moon. So there's many options here. However, we want to position ourselves accordingly, use good risk management, as we always talk about in our channel. And if you are new here, we go live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., absolutely demolishing the charts, trading constantly, scalping on the 3-minute, having lots of fun. So make sure you guys come by and join us. I will not be here today because I am busy. So going into the top-down analysis, let's check it out. So Bitcoin, beautiful green momentum wave coming to the upside here. Green dot confirmation. VWAP crossover yesterday was another thing we pointed out in the live stream with the 12-hour trigger wave, which is quite beautiful. As you can see, played out quite phenomenally. So a big move up. Looking at the 3-day here, we can still see we have VWAP curvature to the upside, which is very bullish in my opinion. We also have this weekly, and we were looking at the weekly, how it does have a little bit of flatty topness, but however, look at this thing here where we can look to curve back up. And then we were looking at the monthly as well, and the monthly is very much in a position to continue to rocket to the moon. So the longer term time frames, continuation as per usual. Money looks great. Let's get into the shorter term time frames because I know that's what you guys care about. So jumping in here, what do we see? We see price discovery, right? We can do extension levels very, very simply, right? From the top to the bottom here. And we can see we hit our 272, which is quite nice. Okay. We did have some areas for you guys from before. So we hit our 102, 100 level. We have another level here, our 1618 extension level at 106. So that to me is going to be our next level of resistance. So I'm going to keep my eye on the price here for a potential short. I'm not saying I'm going to short into this parabolic pump, but we are keeping our eyes on there and here. So I will share that with you guys in the Discord as well. But I would love to see this thing come back, some healthy correction, and then continue. Okay, the euphoria is simply the number. The number has been hit, therefore, you know, it's going to be all over the news and yada, yada, yada. So looking at what's going on here, what do we have with our beautiful market cipher? Well, we're very overextended on our 4-hour. We have a little bit of a bull flag materializing right now, but we'll see which direction it wants to go. However, up only kind of seems the theme of the party right now. So we'll see if that wants to continue. Everything's going to be hyperly overextended on the short-term time frames. You can see resetting of the 3-hour. Money is coming in. So this is good. VWAP is resetting. So we could flag out here and continue upwards. It's just a matter of if we want to go now or later, okay? 100K is not far off if we do want to roll over. you know everybody and their brother and sister is now coming on the bandwagon. 3% move down is very easily done by Bitcoin, so be cautious in here this morning. And make sure you're using good risk management like we always talk about. Okay, looking at the 1 hour, same thing. Overextended, resetting, coming down. VWAP coming back up, so this could be a little bit of a push this morning. So be very cautious with the push. As you can see, I wouldn't, be just jumping in willy-nilly on a breakout here. Okay, do not do what I did last night and totally just jumped into the trade. And here's the trade here. I think I have it over here. Jump over here. I literally just pressed buy just to close it at $100,000. There you go. A little quick scalp. I mean, jumped in at 99,300 and we got the receipt to put on the wall. First time, $100,000. My God, we're probably going to be looking back and be like, oh my God, MEXC. Remember when we traded on MEXC back in those days? Anyways, so yeah, we got the ticket, which is pretty funny. We could have held. I mean, I closed it completely, opened it and closed it completely at $100,000. Maybe I should have held for a little bit more gains. I probably, would have been up quite a little bit more here, another 4%. That would have been a nice trade, but I mean, it was late at night here in the east side of North America, Canada to be exact, where we are. We just took the trade and we celebrated, and everybody went live, and I think it shows the OGs like Tom Crown, Ben Cowan, Jason Casper, Crypto Face, all those guys, man. Shout out to those guys. They've been around paving the road for us new guys for so long. So congratulations to those guys. I think that's a big win for those guys because they've been doing this for time, right? So that's pretty cool. Looking at this, we got momentum to the upside. I'm going to get some key levels done for the members in the Discord, but revisiting that high is going to be ideal. Okay, revisiting any sort of volume up here, which we do have quite a nice bit of volume as a shelf here. So if we do come back into this volume, right, we could look for a potential bounce and continuation. Okay, so it's actually good that we did put in a little bit of price action within this range to give us some sort of like launch pad and support level, right? So we got that as well. So looking at the short-term timeframes, for me right now, flagging out, looking for continuation. If we lose this momentum, I would look for that breakdown back into 100,000 and see how price reacts around there and look to potentially take the long down in here and then go, okay? We'll get some key levels up higher for the Discord, but thank you guys so much for being here. Keep your eyes on the prize, right? Ethereum breaking out almost at 4,000. There's a lot of altcoins right now absolutely flying off the wazoo, so might be a good time for some rotation. Look at Bitcoin dominance, but a great win for everyone. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.